Welcome to Hebrew Words in Scripture. This is Lesson 51. Today let's look at the word in the Old Testament in Hebrew for salvation. This Bible is such a wonderful book. Every day I open it up, I'm surprised and wonder the things that it reveals. I should have known this word all the time, but it came to me here, and we will explore the word salvation. Here we find the word salvation 3 times in Isaiah 12, verses 2 and 3. Notice that each time here, the word that's used is H3444. The word salvation occurs in the Old Testament 118 times by my count. 56 times as the word that we're looking at, 3444, 35 times as 3468, which of course is a related cognate of 3444, and then it occurs 17 times as 8668. Notice that each of these words has Shin Ayin or Shin Vav Ayin, which is the root of the word Shua. The word we're looking at is H3444, Yod Shin Vav Ayin He, Yeshua, means salvation or deliverance, welfare, prosperity, deliverance, salvation by God, or victory. Notice that the origin comes from the H3467, which of course is one of the other words that we see that's used for salvation. And the meaning is something saved, deliverance, therefore aid, victory, prosperity, deliverance, health, help, salvation, saving, and so forth. Here we see the word H3467, Yod Shin Ayin Yasha, meaning to save, to be saved, to be delivered. Notice the primitive root is to be open or wide or free, that is, by implication, to be safe. And finally, the word H8668, Tav Shin Vav Ayin He, Teshua. And of course, it means salvation or deliverance, or salvation in a spiritual sense. If we look at the Old Testament word for Joshua, we see Yod He Vav Shin Vav Ayin, which gives us the two words H3068, which is Jehovah, and H3467, which is Shua. So we get the meaning of Jehoshua is Jehovah saved, and that becomes our English word, Joshua. Looking in the New Testament for the word Jesus, we see in the Greek, because there is no sound for the letter J, Yehoshua, we see the word Jesus, and notice that its definition is Jesus and Joshua, and that its origin is the Hebrew word H3091, which takes us right back to Jehoshua, or Jehovah saves, Jehoshua, Yeshua, our original word meaning salvation.